example of one of our beautiful motors is a 416 cubic inch LS. This one makes about 600 horsepower, runs fantastic. There'll be hidden coil packs that'll go over here. The nice polished valve covers, got a nice full boat system on this. Got a full forged rotating assembly, and it's got a nice polished intake manifold. Check the numbers out after you watch the run, made some nice numbers. Again, this is going into a 1967 Camaro. Anybody interested in one of our motors? Give us a call. Peace. Good morning, Mike. My big guy, my tomato man. I want to thank you for all the engines you purchased from us over the years. I hear this one is going to your daughter for a 1967 Camaro, LS 416. This thing runs gorgeous. She's going to love it. We're going to fire it up, give you a run demo. We're going to pull it to 6,200. Beautiful. So you can even put it for near 600. Real money.